I started a clothing brand with $0. And I'm about to show you exactly how I did it step by step. Even down to setting up your business the right way. Hey friends, it's Sharon B. And after my last video about starting a clothing brand for free went crazy, I decided to actually try it for myself. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything from creating the product to setting up the store to even connecting your business. Alright, so this is the platform I am using, Tapstitch. This is what's called print on demand. So basically, you don't hold any inventory. And when someone orders, they print it and ship it for you. So I decided to start with a t-shirt because it's cheaper and easier to sell when you're first starting. But you can do also hoodies, sweatshirts, and all kinds of products. Now I'm going to pick a t-shirt and I'm adding my design. My brand is called Hot and Classy. So now I'm placing my design right here on the t-shirt. And this is where you really want to keep it clean and simple. You don't want to overcrowd your design. Now I'm going to preview it. And this is what your product actually looks like when someone buys it. And this is what your product will actually look like when someone buys it. And honestly, seeing it like this makes it feel real. I feel like this is something someone could actually wear. Now you can choose different colors. I always recommend sticking to like black, white, or neutral colors. Those tend to sell the best. Now even though I started with a t-shirt, you can take this same design and put it on hoodies too. So once you get comfortable, you can expand your brand. Now let's talk about pricing. You don't want to go too cheap, but you also don't want to overprice when you're just starting. So for like t-shirts, I would say around $19 to $29 is a good range. Myself, I probably would start out with the $19 as an introductory price. Then the hoodies, you can go higher, like $39 to $49. Now I'm going to add this product to my store. And after you add it, just like that, it's live. Now this is the part a lot of people skip, but it's important. When you connect your store, they may ask you for business information. And so if you have an LLC like I do, you'll use your EIN. That's your employer identification number. Now if you don't have an EIN yet, some platforms will let you use your SSN as a sole proprietor. I don't know how you pronounce that. So don't let this part stop you from starting. But if you're serious about building a brand long term, I definitely recommend setting it up properly. Now let me be real with you. Just because you can start with $0 does not mean money is going to just start coming in right away. You know, you have to put in some work. You will still need stuff like traffic. You're going to need marketing. You're going to need people seeing your brand. But I will say this is the fact that you can start like this with no inventory. That's powerful, y'all. Coming from somebody, I had a t-shirt brand. That's why I have an EIN number. I had an actual shop where I had my printers and sublimation, and I had to have inventory. I wish I had started this way. So what I want to know, would you actually try starting your own clothing brand, or are you sticking to gig outs like DoorDash? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more real ways to make money and build income, make sure you like and subscribe. And also, you can use my link below. I will get a small commission to go ahead and get started. And I'll see you guys in the next one.